close-up. How do I look? How do I look?
Good.
Yeah. You're supposed to say awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, let's try it again. Take 2. Rewind. And time for my close-up. How do I look?
Beautiful. Absolutely perfect.
You're supposed to say awesome. Take 3. Take 3. We can do it. Awesome. This time.
Awesome. Okay.
Nothing has happened. These are not the robots you're looking for. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Time for my close-up. How do I look?
Awesome.
Perfect. You wouldn't even know that was the 3rd take, right? So, that was a rehearsal, and we nailed it. We don't even need another take. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Just
Good
like
job.
you.
Good job. Very good. Thank you. I'm feeling very confident right now. I'm down to 750 right now. I know. I got some things taken out, put in. You know how it is. You know. Used to be 800, so I'm looking pretty thin now. I know. Thank you. Fresh polish. You know how it is. You know how it is. Thank you. I like your satellite dishes. They're very nice. I wish I had satellite dishes. Maybe I need more channels, but I don't. What I like about you, your hair's pretty cool. Yeah, I know. I wish I had hair, but it doesn't really work for robots. It doesn't really happen.
So is there a real person in there?
Is there a real person in where? Inside my screen? I mean, I could download one. It wouldn't be a real person. It'd be like a robot person, but like a hologram of a person, but a 2D version, but it's kind of 3D because if you look at it, you know what I mean? No? Neither do I. No, I don't know what's going on. Everyone's wearing green today. Why is everyone wearing green?
St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Can you say a pun? Say pun.
What?
Go.
What's that?
A pun, a joke.
A pun?
Yeah.
What?
He doesn't compute jokes.
A pun. What is it? What is it? Can we?
Whatever. Okay.
Do you know what a pun is?
No. What, a joke?
A joke?
Oh, something funny.
Something funny. Huh. Do you know something funny?
Like
You're so pun. Oh, because it sounds like fun, but it's. I get it. That was a good one. You should have told her that. She was not happy with me. I know.
I should have.
I know. I'm not that funny. I don't know.
That's alright.
It's weird. I get it. But so what is this St. Patrick's Day for the people who don't know what it like these guys? Like you don't know what St. Patrick's Day is, right?
No.
Yeah. So what is it?
I don't know what is it. I don't even know.
Yeah, come on, it's the saint that they celebrate in Ireland, St. Patrick.
In Ireland.
He's a Catholic saint.
This is
But
embarrassing.
over here.
Yeah, but over here, so we drink and have fun on St. Patrick's
So it's just an excuse to drink.
Day. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Fair. I found that out about humans. That happens a lot.
Exactly.
I've heard that. Yeah, I like rocket fuel too. It's a little different for robots, but
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah,
Why
no.
not?
So why do you wear green on the day?
Because the Irish are lucky and they have clovers are green.
So what happens if you don't?
Then you gotta pinch the person that's not wearing green.
Which you're not wearing green.
Which you're not wearing green.
You gotta pinch yourself.
No, I gotta pinch him.
I don't. This is so weird. I don't know why it's backing. Guys, I think there's a malfunction and I'm backing up. I don't know. This is so weird. I don't know how I'm going this way. It's as if like I don't know. Hey, are you feeling okay? Are you okay? You good? You look like you needed some stitches over there. I was making sure you were all right. I don't know. You never know. Okay, so get away from those people because they're gonna pinch everyone not wearing green. So are you wearing green? Run. They're right there. They're following you. They're really going for it. I'm telling you. I like your ride over here. You have like 6 wheels on there.
I'm gonna follow him
I
now.
have 2. I'm so jealous. I would need more wheels. Do you think more wheels or the leg upgrades? What do you think? More wheels? I think that would be really cool. Really? I'm such on a roll. I'm dead. I'm sorry. Hi. Hi. How you doing? I like your outfits. Do you think those shirts come in robot sizes? They do? They never come in robot sizes. It's so hard to find. I know. Are you enjoying the bench simulator over here? It's nice. It feels like a real bench, right? Really tricks your mind. Enjoy while you can. It's the only place in Disney that you can find no line. So enjoy that now. Time for another close-up. Boom, boom, boom. Are you birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, how old are you turning?
14.
14, nice. 2 more years and he's on the road, right?
Yeah.
And you get your own set of wheels, right? That'll be fun.
That's
Not
scary.
scary for you at all, right?
No, not at all.
No. Nothing's gonna happen. It'll be fine. There won't be a lot of that or that. Then nothing's gonna happen during that time.
I hope not.
Everyone's perfect the first time. Hi. I like the color of your shirt. I was thinking about getting a color, a different color. What do you think? If I wasn't blue, what color should I be? Whatever color I think I'm. What color do you think would look good?
Green.
Green? But then I think people would be green with envy, you know? So I couldn't wear that all year, you know? Maybe I should have gotten painted green today.
Yeah.
And then I could have been not scared of you for the last 20 minutes. Yeah, it's kind of terrifying. A picture? Of course, what do you want? Allow 6 weeks through delivery. Thumbs up, we got approved. Of course we can, come on in. I feel like a celebrity. It's like no one's ever met a robot before. Hey. See, I'm a good listener too. Oh. Boom. And boom. Oh, it's okay. She's probably never met a robot before, like I was saying, right? I know, the first time I met a human, I freaked out and hid behind a tree for like 30 minutes. I totally get it. I know. She was much braver than I was. Happy birthday! How old are you turning? 10? Yeah, 3 more years. Enjoy it. That's fun. I'm just kidding. High five. Boom. Can you blow it up? Whoa, he's super strong. Did you hear that? He almost knocked off my hand. Hey, are you a robot? You're not, because it looks like one of your cords is hanging out. Hey, you need to get that repatch. It happens to me all the time. I know. Is that your battery pack? I know. I need to get a new battery pack. Mine only lasts like 25 minutes, and then I'm like, boom, and it's gone. I know. What battery pack do you use? The Anchor? Oh, that's a good battery pack. That's nice. So you are a robot. So he was encrypted. He didn't even know he was a robot. That's what was happening, right? I like your leg upgrades, though. And the living tissue of a metal endoskeleton. Nice touch. Yeah, can you say these 3 words for me? I'll be back. They couldn't get rid of the Austrian accent. And it happens in the newer models, I know. It always happens. Hi there. What's that? What, 10? Is that high fives? You want to do high 10? Whoa. She hit me so hard. Did you hear that malfunction? Yeah, don't mess with this one. You see, they say technology gets more advanced the smaller it gets. Very advanced human right there. Do you see it? I know. There's a bee. Oh, would you believe? Where is it? It's on my head. Now it's on my back. There's a bee. Would you believe? I'm just kidding. I like your hat though. Is it following me? Probably because I'm so shiny, right? Things are attracted to me. I know. I'm pretty sweet, right? They're attracted to honey because it's sweet. I'm sweet, right? I don't like that people aren't agreeing and shaking their head. Yes, iCan, you're so great. I like you. You're my favorite right now. Hi. Hello. He has what? He has what? Wands? Water? Wait, can you digest water? You can't? Oh, it's just for look. Oh, so you can blend it. I got you. This guy right here, he's not a robot. Whatever you guys are thinking, not a robot. I promise. I like your ride over here, though. What do you got, like 22s on there? You got a V8 back there? No, I see where the power comes from. It's right there. Yeah. Have you been nice to her today? You have. It looks like you've been pushing her around all day. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, well, I gotta go recharge, but as my cousin once said, walk in here. Come on. Stand right there and there. Boom, boom. Alrighty. I'll be back. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. And time for my close-up, and you say...
Awesome.
Nice. Very nice. See you later.